Vlog life. We haven't vlogged. Happy Monday. It is Monday. I don't think I vlogged yesterday. I don't even think I. Oh, did I vlog Saturday? I think I vlogged Saturday because Sydney had baseball tryouts. So these are knee-length shorts. Don't do that. Hey, stop it. Don't do that. Stop, Drake. Drake. Okay, you're gonna have to get back in your. No. Get back in your seat. No. Oh, booger face. Oh, and Drake has been sick, guys. Today I was supposed to take him to his doctor's appointment. We got dressed to go, but I drove to the wrong office, so we had to reschedule. Drakey. Millie's first day wearing uniform today. How was it, Millie? Wasn't it cool seeing everyone wear the same clothes and color and everything with you?
It was kind of weird.
It was weird?
Yeah, because, well, I was hot because I was wearing 2 shirts. This one.
That's because we thought it was going to be cold. But we went uniform shopping a little too late, so Millie is actually wearing a boy small shirt and boy shorts small. So we're gonna go online and get her like cute, skirt and dress uniforms.
The dress uniforms. They have a dress uniform, but I don't want it.
I saw a girl wearing a cute dress. Is it almost 3 o'clock? We're waiting to pick up Sydney. I tried calling my doctor's office to make an appointment to see my OBGYN, but the line was busy the 3 times that I called. So I'm gonna try calling again right now. Because we want to know, is it a boy?
Girl.
Or is it a girl?
It's a girl.
Okay, we'll see. We are finally opening. Oh, look at this little guy. We are finally opening one of Drakey's other toys that Santa gave him. And hold on, Drake. You want to help mommy? Okay, go ahead. Pull these out. Here, pull that out. Good job. I think this is just an empty box too. Here, you can pull this out too. Both hands. I think you need both of your hands. Drake, put that down. Put that down, Drake. Here, give it to mommy. Give that to mommy. Thank you. Here, you can take this out. Oh, you hear that? Oh, this is not an empty box. Okay. I'll take this one too. What else is in there? He wants to get this guy out, but he's like stuck in there. What else is in there? Alright, what's this? Oh, cool. What's that? That side's empty, so... Okay. There we go. There we go. Oh, his name's Austin. He has his little name right on his shoe. It says Austin. You see Austin?
I say Yahoo when I'm happy.
Oh, I see. Yeah, this is empty. So we're gonna put. We are going to put the trash back inside this box. Like this is trash. Millie, it's cold outside, and why are you wearing your brother's shoes? Where's your brother?
Right there.
No, your big brother. He's already out there?
Yeah,
Come back around, Millie. So I feel like my morning sickness has completely left me, and so we came for our little evening stroll. There's a big sissy and little brother moment. Drake!
Oh, he wants to go to the park.
No, Millie, don't take him there. It's dark. It's can't go to the.
Oh, he's making his own bed. Look.
Go to the apparatus.
He's even turning it. I'm not turning it, Mom. We're gonna turn.
I mentioned I have a doctor's appointment this Thursday.
Yeah.
Finally, I made an OBGYN appointment. So I'm pretty sure when I go in, they'll be able to tell me the sex of the baby. Good morning. It's Tuesday, and I had like this from rubbing my nose so much, and it is officially going away. It's me and Drake. I'm just watching some Walking Dead. I'm trying to do a lot more vlogging. Well, I'm trying to get better at vlogging, so here I am. I just want to stay in bed and just stay in the blankets, but I'm gonna be productive today and go to my neighborhood meeting. Grab me some lunch from Robex. I'm probably gonna get a Tropicale because I don't want to experiment with anything else. So I use, while I'm vlogging, I also use this as my rear view mirror and to watch little Drake. You believe I have not colored my hair? Oh, I think it's like already a year that I have not like touched up or did anything. I've been meaning to go in, but just haven't made it, and I don't know, I kind of like it, this kind of ombre-ish color. Oh, bless you. Aiden? Who is that snoring? Aiden's trying to wake up Drake. Mom, listen to him snoring. Look who's trying to wake him up. Yeah. Looks it. He's like, give me love. Silly little babies. Silly little babies.
2 and 1.
Papa, you missed it. Aiden was trying to get love from Drake. Like, watch, look. Uma him. He wants a Uma.
It's the other way around the last time.
Drake, he wants a Uma.
No, Aiden.
Leave him alone while he's sitting here, Sydney. He's quiet. Booger. Open your mouth. Oh. Do it again. Oh. Raise your eyebrows. I didn't say open your mouth. Raise your eyebrows. Oh. Say hi. What does a dinosaur say? Yeah. What does a dog say? He's been playing with this for like almost 10 minutes. Trying to figure out how to open it. I don't know who left this in here, Millie or Sydney, and he's going crazy. Let me see it, Drake. Let mommy see it. I just want to see it. This is Blood Bites.
Who won? Who won the thing? Spelling bee.
Congratulations, Millie! Congratulations.
Who won the spelling bee for the
Millie got a certificate for spelling bee.